Okay, this is a short video on Osaka Castle and what to expect once there.
Okay, so today we are exploring the Osaka Castle first thing in the morning. We got a whole day ahead of us.
Okay, so entering through these massive walls and doors. The first things first, you gotta get there early. I got there around midday and it was packed. So get there early, beat the crowds. Next thing, you can't film on the 3rd or 4th floors, and that's where the samurai weapons and armory is held, along with painted Japanese room dividers. You keep climbing up these stairs until you get to this nice view from the top. Again, you gotta get there early because if not, this happens and you can't really enjoy the view. The cost is about 600 yen, which is about $4 US, and you can spend around 2 to 3 hours here. And that's it for this video of Osaka Castle.